In this video, I am going to show you how to replace the print head in your Canon Pixma G6020. It's important to know how to replace them properly, and that will help you to save a lot of ink. First step is to switch on the printer. Go to the printer display panel. On the panel, click on the setting icon. Scroll ahead and look for the maintenance. Press OK. Again scroll ahead and look for the print head replacement. That is the start replacement. Press OK. It will ask you to open the cover. Now we can open the cover, that is the front cover here. Next is to lock the ink supply so that the ink won't go back. To prevent these pipes from getting empty, we have to lock it. So move it to this side. Next is to unlock the print heads. Press this button here. This will unlock the print heads. To remove the print heads, just pull it outside and then lift it up and just take it out. Just like this, and then here. Take your new print heads, remove the seal from the top and then place it here. The color will go here. The head will go first and then it will settle itself. Same with the black. Now close this. Once you hear the lock sound, that means you have installed it properly. Also lock both print heads with this. Next step is to unlock the ink pipes. So just move it to the other side again. Lift it up and push it down. This will close the chamber. Go to the display panel. Once we finish the replacement, we have to flush some ink so that the print heads get enough ink for the printing. Go to the back side and click on the ink flush. Select all colors. It will display like once you start the process, it cannot be stopped. Press OK. Again it will ask you, have you filled the ink tanks to the maximum level? Click yes. It requires a lot of ink. Press OK to yes. In the 8 minutes we can lose a lot of ink. Just to save that, only give 30 to 60 seconds for your printer. So I think enough ink should has gone there. Now we can unplug the printer because it's not possible to switch it off from here. So unplug it. Take the power cable out. You can also lift this section and you will see the ink is already there. After a few seconds, plug in the power cable. Switch on the printer. Go to the printer display panel. Wait for the message to appear. It will give a message like printer was shut down improperly. It may take 1 or 2 minutes for the printer. Next is to check if the printer ink is working properly or not. Again click on the setting icon. Go for maintenance. Press OK. Select nozzle check.